Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today's topic is 10 lines speech on Republic Day. Number 1 line. Good morning everyone. Number 2. My name is Ayush. Number 3. Today we celebrate Republic Day. Number 4. Republic Day is on 26 January. Number 5. It is a special day for India. Number 6. Our constitution started on this day. Number 7. We respect our freedom fighters. Number 8. We love our country very much. Number 9. We should be good citizens. Number 10. Thank you, Jai Hind. Dear friends, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.